Alright guys, this is just a little update on the basement project. As you see, we got the floor mats down and the heat strips for the heating floor. Have those down. Alright. Bear with me a minute. Now, isn't that going to look nice? You want to see Jerry, guys? That's a buddy Jerry. All right, and that's it. Oh, here's our thermostat on the floor. All right, that's it. Another video once I'm done.